Hey guys, Cece here with another video, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this eye look right here. So I have like my windows open because it's super hot today, so you might hear birds chirping and all that good stuff. But let's just ignore that and get into the video. I was sent a couple of products by iKateHouse.com. If you guys have not heard of them, I've been talking about them for years, and they reached out to me so I can review some of their products. So I'm super excited. They actually are a website, a very discounted website that has lots of different brands on the website. So they sell NYX, they sell Milani, LA Girls, LA Color, they sell Maybelline, all different types of brands, like 100, probably 100 plus brands on that website. Such an amazing website. I've always talked to you guys about my Cocoa lashes. The only place that I buy my Cocoa lashes is from iKateHouse, and I don't know if they're exclusive to that website or not, but that is where I always purchase these Cocoa lashes that I've been literally talking to you guys about for years. So when they reached out to me, I was super excited. So thank you to them to providing these products that I use today. I used the Kara Beauty. This is the Kara Beauty ES4M palette, and I actually used this for my eye look today, and it came out super cute. This palette was super pigmented. It reminded me a lot of the Morphe 35OM palette. So I don't have that one, but I have the regular 35O and the 35O shimmer, and this one reminds me a lot of the matte palette, like the colors that are in it. So I thought this was a great addition to my collection, and honestly the shadows were again super pigmented. Like, look at my eye look. I made the most beautiful orange summery eye look. They also sent over a pair of lashes. I am wearing the lashes today, but these are the Kara number 605 lashes. That's the packaging that it comes in, but the lashes are actually what's on my eyes, and they're so pretty and fluffy, and they're a little more dramatic than what I usually go for, but I really like them, especially with this look. I think they pair well together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and follow me on social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. What we're going to do is prime our eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Love using this to prime my eyes because it slows down on the creasing and everything on my eyeshadows. So I'm just going to buff this in with this Real Technique brush as well as my fingers. Now let's move into the star of the show, the star of this look. This is the Kara Beauty palette that I was just telling you guys about, and this palette was so beautiful. It was so pigmented. It was just so pretty. I loved it. I'm going to take that light orange shade and just buff that into my crease. So I'm going to take this richer orange and a more tapered brush, and I'm going to also buff this into my crease as well. I just want to build up that orange shade in the crease to make it very pretty and very pronounced, but not so stark orange. So this is a good way to do that, is just building up the color. I'm just going back to that original brush and buffing both of those colors together. I'm taking the Stila Magnificent Metals eye gloss, whatever you call this, the eye glitter. I love this stuff, and I'm using it in the shade Kitten Karma, and I'm just adding that to my eyelids. This just gave that look the pop it needed to really stand out, and I'm being very careful not to put too much glitter into the crease, and I really just want to focus on the lid area. Then you just just want to go back with that more tapered brush and make sure you add a little more color into the crease to make sure that it is still pronounced. I'm also going to take this deep brown shade and I'm going to use an even more tapered brush and add this into my outer V. I love using brushes like this for the outer V because I can be very precise with where I want to add the color. Using the Kat Von D tattoo liner, I'm going to go ahead and line my upper lash line so I can prepare it for lashes. And I decided to wing it out today, which I normally do not do. So check the wing liner. The lashes that I'm using today are the Kara Beauty 605s, a little more dramatic than normal, but I think they're really, really gorgeous, and I just really love the look of them and the look of them paired with this eye look. So these are really great. I would definitely check out their lashes as well as this palette. The link is down below to both of them. Go ahead and check it out. Now, just a little tip to help blend your lashes with your real lashes. To help blend them together, use a black eyeliner on your upper lash line, and this honestly helps to fill in any gaps. If you didn't get your lashes close enough to your lash line, this helps to fill in any gaps that you have, and it just makes them look a lot more natural and blend a lot better with your natural lashes. So just a little tip for you guys who have trouble with lashes. And finish out the face. I'm going to take this cream bronzer and go ahead and stipple that onto my contour line as well as my forehead and chin area. Just want to chisel my face a little bit, so I went ahead and stippled that in there. I don't normally wear cream contour, but I thought I would give it a try today since I got that palette in the latest FabFitFun box. I just did a video on that, so check that out if you haven't seen it. But I'm going to set my entire face with this Collab pressed powder. I actually really like this powder. It's pretty good. So I'm going to set my entire face with that. To bronze up the face, I'm going to use the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Solei bronzer. One of my favorite bronzers. You guys know you see me use it all of the time. Time to go in with blush. I'm going to take this new blush trio by Morphe in Papa Fuschia, and I'm going to take that end shade right there and pop that on my cheeks. I thought that blush color was so pretty with the eye look. It was just the right amount of subtle color. And you do have to be subtle with these Morphe blushes because they're super pigmented like most Morphe products, so just dig in there with a light hand. I'm going to highlight my face here using that highlighting product from the Tartiest Pro Glow palette, and it was actually really a pretty highlighter. So I'm going to highlight on the normal places that you guys always see me highlight. round out the look, of course, we have to do the lips. I have this OFRA Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Verona, and it's just a nice neutral basic liquid lipstick, but it really complemented the look well. And that's really it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and it was helpful for you. Check out iKateHouse for all of your like drugstore affordable makeup needs. I'll have their link down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Hey,